Welcome to Clockwork Plaza. It's a perfect evening for a stroll.
Stick with us. We've got some fun ahead.
Think you can keep up? Let's race! Oh, it's on! Zeno, hold tight! Ezra, watch out for the gears!
The race heats up as Zara takes a daring shortcut.
She's really pushing it.
We're not losing now. Jump! Ezra, follow my voice. Left, left. Got it. Keep talking. Ezra takes the lead, navigating the fog with precision.
Impressive moves, Ezra.
Looks like I win this round. You've earned it, champ.
Next time, let's stick to strolls. See you next time, folks.